So next we're going to see how to set up tip options in our Clover device. So if we want to set up tip in Clover, what we're going to do is go here and setup. And we can see that at the bottom we have a tab named tips. The first tab that pops up when we open it is ask for tip. Currently it's disabled. So to enable it, I'm going to check the box, ask for tip, and click save. Second tab says tip suggestions. So when I click on it, I can see that I'm currently set to ask for 15, 20, 25, or 30%. If ever you want to change the percentage, you can click on it and then change the percentage. For example, I want to put 10, 15, 20, or 25. Now I've changed my tip options. You can optionally also put a message next to it. So if you want to say thank you, great, excellent, perfect. This message is going to pop up next to the percentage when we're asking for tip. So all we have to do is click save. And if I go back to make a sale, for example, I want to make a sale for $100. When I click charge, you can see that the tip options have appeared next to the message that we set up. So when the client selects a percentage of tip, it's going to be added to the total amount, and then they can just tap the card or insert it to finish the transaction. And that's how you set up tips in Clover.